Rice reaper. A rice reaper is a specialized agricultural machine that automates the labor-intensive process of harvesting rice crops. It has a cutting mechanism that can swiftly and precisely sever rice plants and features for bundling or collecting cut stalks for further processing. These machines have significantly improved rice farming productivity, reducing reliance on manual labor and speeding up the harvest process. They have become a vital tool for rice farmers worldwide, contributing to increased efficiency and yield in rice production. Yung rice reaper is a kind of machine that used to harvest rice crops. And it has a cutting mechanism na siyang nagpuputol ng rice stalks hanggang sa mabundle ito. And yung rice reaper is talagang nakakatulong dito sa Pilipinas. Like, yung mga farm dito is hindi siya kalakihan. Kaya, mas pinipili nilang gumamit ng rice reaper kaysa sa mga malalaking machine na pang-harvest ng rice. Rice reaper specification. Rice reaper specifications. Engine, 3.5 horsepower. Minimum of 4-stroke gasoline. Cutting height, adjustable. Cutting width niya is 1.2 meters. And the field efficiency is minimum of 65%. The components are the cage wheel and the pneumatic tires. And labor requirement niya is only 1 person. Then, it have the features makes harvesting easier and faster than the manual harvesting. Less dependent on field size, less shattering loss during harvesting. And the parts and function of a rice reaper. Star wheel. The star wheel is often positioned in front of the cutting. And the parts and function of a rice reaper. Star wheel. The star wheel is often positioned in front of the cutting mechanism, sickle blades or cutting bar. As the reaper moves through the rice field, the star wheel rotates and collects the cut rice stalks, pulling them towards the conveyor or gathering system. The next one is the sickle blades or cutting bar. These are sharp, curved blades designed to cut through the rice stalks as the reaper moves through the field. Yung sickle blades or cutting bar ng rice reaper natin is siya yung curved blades na pumuputol sa rice stalks and para matulak and ma-move yung naputol na rice stalks and para mabundle na din. The next one is the crop divider. This is located at the front of the rice reaper just ahead of the cutting mechanism, which could be a sickle bar or cutting blade. Its primary function is to gently separate the standing rice crop as the reaper moves through the field. By doing this, it ensures that the crop is evenly distributed across the cutting width of the machine. The next one is the belt conveyor. Once the rice stalks are cut, they need to be conveyed to the collection or bundling area. An auger or conveyor belt assists in moving the cut stalks to the collection point. So yung belt conveyor naman, yung makikita natin pagka na-harvest na yung rice natin, makikita natin siya na nakalinya sa may ibabaw nung pinagkunan ng rice stalks. Yun yung ginagawa ng belt conveyor. Header pointer. The function of header pointer in a rice reaper is to adjust the cutting height of the cutting mechanism to match the specific conditions and growth stage of the rice crop, optimizing harvesting efficiency and preventing crop damage. Yung header pointer, di ba? Minsan, yung mga tanim natin is nadadaanan ng bagyo. Then, dumadapa siya. Yung header pointer, yung function niya is para ma-adjust yung height ng mapuputol dun sa may rice crops. Baller or buncher. Some rice reapers are equipped with ballers that bundle the cut rice stalks into manageable packages for further processing. Then, eto na yung ginagamit sa rice crops natin pag binabundle na, yung pinaka tinatali sa kanya. Discharge plate. The discharge plate in a rice reaper plays a critical role in directing the cut rice stalks from the cutting and gathering mechanisms towards the collection or bundling area. It helps ensure that the harvested rice is efficiently delivered to the desired location, facilitating the subsequent processing and reducing the risk of clogs or blockage in the machine. Gathering header. The gathering header in rice reaper is responsible for efficiently collecting and aligning the cut rice stalks into a neat swat or window, making it easier for the subsequent processing and bundling of the crop. By guiding the rice stalks into a uniform arrangement, the gathering header improves the overall efficiency of the reaper, reducing crop losses and ensuring a smoother workflow during rice harvesting. Last one is the marker. It's a visual or physical indicator that helps the operator maintain a straight and consistent cutting path across the field, ensuring that the rice crop is harvested evenly and without overlaps or gaps. Yung marker naman is yung makakatulong sa operator natin na ma-align yung sinusundan niya path dun sa rice field natin. Then, para ma-sure na yung na-harvest na rice ay walang nalalagpasan or walang may iwang nakatanim.
Now, how does a rice reaper works? Rice reaper mechanically cuts and lays crop in a window which allows easy pickup of the harvested crops. It is recommended for small to medium size of farms. Now, this machine makes harvesting easier and faster. Why? Because instead of manual harvesting, it requires less labor and less dependent on field size. Also, it is less shattering on the loss during harvesting. How do we operate a rice reaper? First, the pre-operation inspection. Before we start, kailangan natin i-inspect yung machine if merong sira or merong problema, merong kulang na parts, or marumi ba ito. And then next, prepare the field. Make sure that the field is clear of obstacles like mga bato, or any debris na pwedeng makaapekto or makasira sa pag-andar ng machine. The next is start the engine. After you make sure that there is no problem on the machine and on the field, you may start the engine according to the instruction from the manufacturer. And then next is adjust the header. So the header is used to set the cutting height of the machine, and then to align it with the rice crop's growth stage. And then up next is to position the marker. So use a visual marker or any onboard guidance system to establish a straight cutting path across the field. Next is to engage the cutting mechanism. So activate the cutting mechanism such as the cutter bar or the sickle blades. Now, you may drive the reaper. Gradually drive it forward, following the marker or the guidance of the system to maintain the path that is needed to be reaped. Then, monitor the operation. So, watch the cutting mechanism to ensure it's cutting the rice crops cleanly and evenly. So, as you operate the machine, syempre, you also have to monitor or tignan kung paano siyang gumagana to ensure that the machine functions properly. And then, you may collect the bundle. After the operation or after mong paandarin yung machine, pwede nang i-collect yung mga bundle ng rice na na-reap ng machine. And then, after that, you may shut down the machine safely. When finished with the field or at the end of the workday, disengage the cutting mechanism and stop the engine. And then afterwards, you may clean the reaper and remove any debris or plants or any material na pwedeng sumama or umipit doon sa machine during operation. And then, lastly, to store the reaper in a secure location or a storage. So, after gamitin at malinis, pwede na nating ibalik yung machine sa taguan or sa storage kung saan siya ay safe at hindi masisira or kakalawangin yung mga parts.